I know about roughly about 5. You know, check it out.
So how you manage it? Because you're heavy.
Everybody asks me that. It's the only time heavy when I just wash it.
The real measurement. This are the proof in the pudding. Ital pudding too, because when I put milk in a pudding I egg. See it there? Always stay. Alright, so we're here with Rasta Jeff in Turner's 4 Parts, Clarendon, the home of the legendary late great Merciless. But we have a next legend right now because me here say the Rasta. Well, me no here say this is a man who me know from a barn, and from a barn me know him have a long locks, and me here say it is the longest in Jamaica. Beat Junior Gang and any other locks so you know. So Rastafari, welcome.
Rasta love.
Yes, so we know what I go on now. How long you grow your locks?
Well, you know, say me I go the year from. I have to from my barn still, but when you have to go to school, I have to cut it for a while. But after school, you just say so because my mother can't beat me no more, so you know. And this so.
So from them time that you start free the Rastafari?
Yeah. We used to have to put it in one soul thing, and then the girl used to love plait it up and thing. And me see it so long, I say alright, it's a Rastaman now. From me see how it's so long and I grow. I'm just say alright, no bother me. No bother me. And the girl them I cut for them, so me just say alright, may I grow my own. You know?
Yeah. So you grew it for about 40 years or more, in the 70s, them time, the 80s?
You know, say me I grow this year now about roughly about 47 years now. Let me check it up.
47.
Since you start locks. I always have enough bush same way, but since you start locks up, 47 when I check it out. How much of man can banky there?
That's a long time that in a Rasta.
A long time, man.
Yeah, and you ever have no idea say yo, it a go reach a length the way there?
You know, say every time I look for it, every time I let it out and I go on my bed and I will fling it over one corner so in the bed and I will say, but it a go reach down the side of the room. I always a picture that say, yeah, it a go, so I just will make it go and go, yeah?
So how you manage it? Because it's heavy?
Everybody asks me that. It's the only time heavy when I just wash it. When I just wash it and the water in there, heavy bad, you know, but you flash out the water and wrap it with one towel. Nice.
And then part of the heaviness now, as I say, when you wash it, so how you manage it when you wash it?
Well,
you go river?
When I go river,
yeah,
it's easier. But when I go in the shower, you know in that shower I have to go on. You know what I mean? Still me have one bath of water, you know, because it have in one bath of water, you know. If you wash it like you wash clothes, you know?
Quite, it's a story this year, give me, you know, say, my ball head, me have sometimes I even can't bother with it when you reach a little level. Much less you have it so long.
Yeah, everybody asks me how I do it, but you know what I mean? So, on my own, I have to keep it clean.
Yeah, and you know, say 47 years I locks that, you know, 47. So you really, what it mean to you to have a locks?
Well, to tell you the truth, I will my whole life it mean to me, because right now, if me cut off my locks, me have to cut off my head. Because now come like me have nothing for me. You know? When me let it out and just sit down on the bed, son, come like nothing there because you like up on the bed. Just like. Because you lay on the bed and say, damn. Look at the mirror and say, no, sir. Can't cut him off.
And there was no point in your life when you say you'd have cut it?
Never. Never, ever. My daughter asked me to cut it because I say too long. But no, my daughter called me from New York and said that tell me how to do mine now because I have locks. So, you know?
Zan are you?
Zan. Yeah. Can't believe it. Yeah, Zan are locks. The only thing all she have to do is just natural. Stop the chemical and not use no rubber band, then call that sister locks. When you tie up the ear root and you can't get to breathe, just cut off right there, son, and rubber band just cut you right through. Me never People ask me all the while, say, if me never twist or no twist, it go natural, no? It go and locks up just like how it's here.
And you say you just use natural things like a single Bible or tuna and them things.
Yeah. Quack bush and them things, you know, we have bitterness, man.
And at no point it never drop off, nothing at all. You don't have no struggle with that at all to grow it?
Nah. My baby mother in New York, I mean, make she grow locks because she used to kill me with every weekend of money for hairdress. And one day I look for her and say, when can you locks like a Rasta and laugh after me and tell every family member, say, I man say, I say, yeah man, just love it man. And right now, she never do a thing, you catch her down and so right now, and, but if you want to drop out, and if I treat she not the cold also.
Yeah.
To drop her.
Alright, so I see Junior Gang locks, and them say one of the longest that in Jamaica, which is true. But me feel like your one longer than Junior Gang. When I see her locks, it's like a rope. Yeah? And you tell me half year said there was a bit gone.
Yeah man, there was a bit man, I'm doing a bit man. And the guy, after me just take off here and the brother start go so with you and him just say, that's easy yourself man. You win the money because I never wait till you take off for bet you. Bet you when you have any crown. You say, that is it. Man, I tell you say it longer than it before, but you insist say no, Junior Gang longer than mine, and you never see my one.
Him just look on the turban and feel like say,
Everybody look on the turban and no say well and dangerous and like that. When me take off it, them have to say, no man. And he looks up on you and you say,
Yeah, you look neat and it don't look like it's heavy on your head right now.
No,
you get what I'm saying? Like, So, what are the process now for wrap it? That's the next thing.
Process, easy process because I have got little to make it see, right?
Yeah man, of course.
Alright, now after me little to me just easy man, easy. 1, 2. 1, 2 for wrap up. Wrap up is a simple thing.
Yeah, and I just say light on your head and things.
Yeah man, it's only time and if me wrap it and I do something and it start move one side of my head, like it come one side, I have to pull it out and wrap it back now because I make one side of my head start, one side of my neck start hurt. Yeah? So I'm have to let it out and wrap it back properly. And I'm good again. Man, no give me no trouble, man. No give me no. Me can't. If me fall asleep with the crown on my head, when I wake up, a problem for terminate. Problem. So I try all my best all the while as I enter the bed, man. Even if I go lie down for 10, 15 minutes, I have to take it off and put it on the bed over there, so you know.
Heavy is the man that wear the crown, and that is a symbol of kingship, you know. Because as a Rastafari, as a real lion, king of the jungle, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, you're an idol man from long time. Alright, so I want you unwrap it and now make you see what go on. Yeah, man.
Okay. Oh, we could be tired still. Yes, sir.
Aya Congo.
Yeah, man.
So anybody now see this and want to grow them locks, it's not an easy road as a Buju Bantan say, because I've structure 47 years I hear this and I look a boy think clean, no chemical, natural. Ital is vital for the hair. Alright, so no Prasta me question what I go on, because I know normal thing.
No normal thing, you know, no normal at all. No normal one, do you see it? We never measure it.
Never measure it. But we are going to measure it today, you know, because we have a tape measure ready, you know, live and direct, you know. What's it?
Never measure it.
A normal thing. Alright, so drop it behind the back now, make you see what I go on.
Behind the back?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
A problem that.
Problem in the back.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah, man. Even Samson locks never so long, because Delilah would have problems to cut it out.
I really think, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, bring in the tape measure then make you see what I go on. Because I believe about 40 feet of locks. You can see what I go on. See it now, light. Long and light. Clean, natural hair. Ital is vital, no chemical. Alright, bring in the tape measure make you see what I go on. No man, come in. Hey Marlon, not because your locks so short, you go like you run in front of the camera. We not work with that, you know. Because you know, say, you know how to measure it, you know. So make you see what I go on, you know. One. Clearly this longer than Junior Gang locks. Blouse and skirt, I want to go on, you know. The real measurement. This are the proof in the pudding. Ital pudding too, because we don't put milk in a pudding. Right? See there? How we stay?
9 feet.
9 feet 4 inches. Yeah man, that's a normal thing. 47 years of growing the locks. You understand? So no little boy thing that hey, get a shot of His Majesty on the man chest, you know, because without His Majesty he can't work, you know. Yeah. See there?
Some hype.
Yeah, some hype, you know.
When you look on it, beetroot, the man thing. Yeah. Rasta thing. You know, man? This. No, you know. Okra. And sweet pepper, you know what I mean?
Really, water them, we don't want the royal locks get you see me?
Yes, sir.
9 feet 4 inches.
Yeah.
And I first you know say measure that long.
First.
Yeah. So you see to create history right now. So anybody feel like them have a longer locks, them have to go above the 9 feet.
Cool,
if I even buy 9 feet 5 inches, but then still have to beat that.
Still have to beat.
I mean, I feel like them can beat it.
Right now, I don't go hear talk, but I don't see no one.
I don't see nobody, and we're going to put it to the test. So anybody feel like them have a longer locks than this, you can reach out to me at reggaemylight16@gmail.com and we can cover your story. But for right now, Rasta Jeff have the record. You understand? So Junior Gang, you can reach out to me same way. Of course, isn't it?
Rasta Junior Gang, bless up yourself, yo.
Yeah man, so what are your encouragement now if anybody, you know, young Ras feel like say they want to reach a level?
Well, all I have to do is hold the faith, you know. Yeah, man. I have to hold the faith and know say, well, then, when you say I grow your locks, you relax, you grow. No one can tell you no different. You know what I mean? And you have to love your locks, like how you love yourself. You know?
Yeah, because a part of you that is.
Yeah.
Part of you.
You gotta treat it good, man. You know what I mean? Wash them regular. And, yeah. Yeah, man, wash it regular, man. Sometimes I walk more at the river, you know?
Yeah.
And spend the whole day down there just
yeah, enjoy nature.
Yes, man.
Yeah, that's the best thing about it, man. The locks and the nature. You understand what I say? So it give you power and it give you strength like something, don't? Because you know say the years where you take to grow it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The one know how me do it so long. I think I decided to cut it. No. I decided to want it to go the same amount of talent like this still. But still, my grandmother give me the inspiration still for locks.
The locks. Oh, so you grow our locks too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she smoke weed, and me never know say I weed she smoke because she mix it with tobacco.
The tobacco hide the scent of weed and things.
Yeah.
So you say you take that inspiration from her?
Wow, a long time, man, that woman. All her hair on her head white like chalk. Yeah, man.
Even before she reached way up in her age? And
Even before she reached up in her age, she her hair out there white.
And you tell me say when you're overseas, just start the process, the hair to grow.
Yeah, I'm there in New York. I go up on the farmer thing. I love it. I love it already, but I have to just tie it down. I'm going to take the test and pass the test and everybody else say, I have to trim. I say, boy, when you reach town, you know, the only thing you can do is tell me to go back home, you know, because
you're not compromised.
No
Delilah out there couldn't make some so cutting that. Yeah.
And then the night now, I kind of get tight and fat it down. And two me know I don't come back because I reach New York, you rise up, you know. As we eat up a New York, you rise up.
Yeah.
Yeah, and from this one, I say now.
Well,
Cut it back.
that good in a Rasta, the strength and power, you know.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So. Want to see what the process now, Rasta, if you wrap it up. Because you say, you know, really that hard. Simple, 1 tree. You see me? Yeah, the locks long, but you no care no weight. That's the beauty about it. You see me? I say, so hold on there. So everybody would have feel like say it's heavy and it's a challenge. You see me? Yeah, but wrap it up, make you see what I'm going on. Yeah, man. Sit there. Yeah, man. Sit there. Yeah, man, easy does it, easy does it, easy does it. Yeah, man, see there? Yeah, man, for real. Yeah, man, so we see it, man. So we say we don't think nobody out the street can beat this. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Give her thanks and much respect, you know. A history we just create for reggae my like this, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Reggae my like this. So the button the people, make sure you like this.